If you want to buy a house to put a roof over your head, but your credit is in the cellar, don't despair. Bankruptcy attorney Robert Firth has been helping restore credit for people in the Coachella Valley for years, and he can help you. So what sets Robert apart from other bankruptcy attorneys? Sure, he can get your debt eliminated or restructured, but he won't stop there. Robert Firth understands improving your credit score can make your life a whole lot easier. Just think about the interest you pay on a loan when you have bad credit. It can add up to thousands of extra dollars. For instance, buying a car with a credit score of 720, expect to pay an interest rate of 3 to 5%. If you're in the 500 to 550 credit range, the interest on that same loan could be a whopping 20 to 25%. But it doesn't have to be that way. Robert can help you rebuild your credit after bankruptcy with a program called 7 Steps to a 720 Credit Score, and he gives it to all his bankruptcy clients, no charge. Robert says, over the years, this program has helped more than 65,000 people rebuild their credit. So on their next car purchase, they are not going to overpay hundreds of dollars per month. Instead, they can put that money in their bank account. If you're in Palm Springs, Palm Desert, or the Coachella Valley and you are ready to rebuild your credit and your life, call Robert today or visit firthlaw.com.